Imagine a world where renewable energy outperforms coal. It's not some distant fantasy. By 2025, this will be our reality. According to recent projections, renewable energy will generate more electricity than coal. This shift is monumental. This change reflects a growing trend. People and corporations are increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their energy choices. As a result, they're investing more in renewables. Governments are also pushing for cleaner energy sources. These factors combined make renewable energy a smart investment choice. Investors need to take note. The energy market is shifting rapidly. Those who move quickly to invest in renewables could see significant returns. This is just one example of how the market is evolving. The future looks bright for renewable energy. This sector is set to grow exponentially in the coming years. It's time for investors to pay attention and seize the opportunity.
Investing is not just about throwing money at the latest trend. It requires careful planning and strategy. Strategic investments can yield high returns. They also help safeguard against market volatility. In today's fast-paced world, the investment landscape is always changing. New technologies emerge, economies fluctuate, and geopolitical situations evolve. A strategic approach helps navigate these uncertainties. It ensures that investments align with long-term goals. The importance of strategic investment cannot be overstated. It allows investors to capitalize on emerging trends. It also mitigates risks associated with market fluctuations. This approach is essential for sustained financial growth. Investors need to stay informed. They should continuously evaluate their portfolios. By doing this, they can ensure their investments remain aligned with their financial objectives. Strategic planning is the key to successful investing.
Identifying lucrative investments is no small feat. The market is saturated with opportunities, but not all are created equal. Investors face numerous challenges in this endeavor. First, there's the issue of information overload. With countless sources providing investment advice, it's hard to know whom to trust. This can lead to analysis paralysis, where investors struggle to make decisions. Second, market volatility is a constant concern. Economic downturns, political instability, and unforeseen events can all impact investments. This unpredictability makes it challenging to identify stable opportunities. Third, there's the risk of falling for hype. Some investments gain popularity due to media attention, not because they're fundamentally sound. Investors must differentiate between hype and genuine potential. Lastly, technological advancements make certain sectors more competitive. Keeping up with these changes requires continuous learning and adaptability. Despite these challenges, savvy investors can still find lucrative opportunities with diligent research and strategic planning.
Sustainable energy is more than just a buzzword. It's the future of the global energy landscape. As mentioned earlier, renewable energy is set to surpass coal by 2025. This makes it a prime area for investment. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are leading the charge. These energy sources are abundant and environmentally friendly. They also offer long-term cost savings compared to fossil fuels. Investing in these technologies can be highly profitable. Governments worldwide are supporting sustainable energy initiatives. They're offering incentives like tax breaks and subsidies. This support is driving growth in the sector, making it even more attractive to investors. Moreover, advancements in energy storage technologies are enhancing the viability of renewables. Batteries and other storage solutions ensure a steady energy supply, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Sustainable energy investments are a smart move for those looking to future-proof their portfolios.
Technology revolutionizing our world. Technology is a cornerstone of modern society. It's constantly evolving and revolutionizing the way we live and work. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most promising areas. AI technologies are transforming industries. They offer solutions that improve efficiency, The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another exciting area. IoT devices connect everyday items to the internet. Cybersecurity is also gaining importance. The need for robust security measures grows. The technology sector is dynamic and full of potential.
Let me put you on game. Biotech. Pioneering healthcare innovations. The biotech sector is at the forefront of healthcare innovation. It offers numerous investment opportunities. Biotech companies are developing groundbreaking treatments and therapies. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize medical care. One of the most exciting areas is gene editing. Technologies like CRISPR are enabling precise modifications to DNA. This can lead to cures for genetic disorders and other diseases. Investing in companies specializing in gene editing can be highly rewarding. Another promising area is personalized medicine. This approach tailors treatments to individual patients based on their genetic profiles. It promises more effective and targeted therapies. Companies in this field are worth considering for investment. Biotech also encompasses the development of new drugs and vaccines. The recent global health crises have highlighted the importance of rapid medical advancements. Investing in biotech companies involved in drug development can be a smart move. The biotech sector is poised for growth. Investors who recognize its potential can reap substantial benefits in the coming years.
Check this out, my G. Highlighting a standout investment: electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are more than just a trend. They're the future of transportation. The EV market is growing rapidly. This presents a standout investment opportunity. Several factors are driving the growth of EVs. Environmental concerns are leading consumers to seek greener alternatives. Governments are also implementing stricter emissions regulations. This is encouraging the adoption of EVs. Major automakers are investing heavily in EV technology. Companies like Tesla, Rivian, and traditional car manufacturers are developing innovative electric models. Investing in these companies can be highly lucrative. The development of EV infrastructure is also accelerating. Charging stations are becoming more widespread, making EVs more convenient for consumers. This infrastructure growth supports the overall expansion of the market. The EV sector is full of potential. Investors who tap into this market now are likely to see significant returns in the future.
My last point, we're summarizing key sectors on my soul. Several key sectors stand out for investment opportunities from 2025 to 2030. Each offers unique potential for growth and returns. Sustainable energy is a leading contender. With renewable set to surpass coal, this sector is promising. Technologies like solar, wind, and energy storage are worth considering. The technology sector is also ripe with opportunities. AI, IoT, and cybersecurity are transforming industries. Investing in these areas can yield substantial returns. Biotech is another sector to watch. Innovations in gene editing, personalized medicine, and drug development are revolutionizing healthcare. This sector offers significant growth potential. Electric vehicles are a standout investment opportunity. The market is expanding rapidly, driven by environmental concerns and regulatory changes. Investing in EV companies and infrastructure can be highly profitable. Strategic planning and careful research are essential. By focusing on these key sectors, investors can position themselves for future success. Let me keep it. One thou wow with you. Encouraging words for you, my G. Investment opportunities are vast and varied. What are your thoughts on the best sectors to invest in? Do you have any insights into emerging trends? We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences. Engaging in discussions can provide valuable perspectives. It can also help identify new opportunities. Stay informed by following investment news and trends. Continuous learning is crucial in this ever-changing landscape. Explore different sources of information and keep an open mind. Join our community of investors, share your insights, and learn from others. Together, we can navigate the future of investments and achieve financial success.